Kick that ball.
That's because I don't know. Okay, ready? Left defense, Sophia. Right defense, Amelia. Ashlyn. You're
Let's go. Amelia,
what?
let's go.
Is there a question? Oh, okay. She kept looking at me like she was waiting for me to say something. You're midfield, okay? So wait, did we get kickoff? What happened? We're kicking off? Okay, you're midfield. Remember, when we're attacking, you need to be up there helping. On defense, you need to run back and help out, okay? Okay, forward. Peyton, left forward. Get out there. Go. Tola, center forward. Grace, right forward. Good pass.
Should I get over that?
There you go.
Get there, Talia. Get there.
You got
Get there.
it.
Get there.
There you go, Talia.
Going.
Good job, Talia.
Go.
Throw in. You gotta help out. Oh, get it. Do it again. Throw in.
Ash, move up.
Down the line, Pete. Down the line, Pete. Good job, Ash.
Look at all those black shirts. Jeez. There's got to be people open.
Get there, Peyton.
Look, they're all down there. The whole team.
Oh.
Ash, stay there. First to the ball. First to the ball.
Ooh.
Get there, Talia. Get there.
Clear, clear. There you go.
Go, go, go.
Get the girl. Got it.
Don't give up. Keep going. Ash, go forward.
Go
Ash.
forward. Our throwing.
Throw it in. Go to
Down the
the
line. Look at Tola.
Ash.
Go over her head. Nice throw in, Ash. Good job. Do it again.
Toward the goal, girl.
Go to the goal. Go to the goal. Throw it towards the goal.
Big throw.
Nice throw in, Ash. Get it. Save it.
There you go.
Oh.
Good try, Talia.
Spread out, girls. Spread out.
Get Peyton. Get open, Peyton. Pass. Ashlyn, throw it in. Tola, you're in the middle.
Go. Good throw. Stay there, Pete. Stay there, Pete. Talia, stay there.
Go, Ash, go. Go, Ash, go. Keep going. Good job, Ash.
Try. Do it again, girls. Do it again.
That was close.
Ash,
That
stay
was
there. Stay there. Turn around. Turn around.
Spread out, kittens.
Go get it,
Ash,
girls. Go
get it.
get it.
Go to the goal.
Talia, get in there.
Real quick, look at Talia.
Go, big throw.
Go to the goal.
Hey, again. Ashlyn.
She almost
Be ready, Peyton. Be ready.
This is it.
Look at Peyton in the middle. Peyton, stay in the middle. Peyton, stay in the middle.
Over their heads.
Look at Tola.
Nice throw.
Right there, right there.
Get there,
Again.
Peyton. One foot. One foot.
Shots. Stay with it.
Yeah. That's our ball, right?
Isn't that white?
Is that white throwing? Or not?
I thought they pointed that direction.
No, I thought.
There
Good
you
job,
go.
Ash.
Go, Ashlyn. Go, Ashlyn. Go.
Together, girls. Together. Together.
Good job. Good job.
Good job.
Nice. Good job, Tola. Way to go, Tola. Be happy.
We just scored.
Again, they just put it on the ground.
Be ready, girls. Be ready. Play some
There you go,
defense.
Talia.
There you go. Get there. There you go. Get there. Get there. Get
Go
there.
hard. There you go.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Good.
Keep going.
Talia. Get up there, Ash. Get up there. You're forward.
Help her out, girls. Help her out. Drop back, Amelia. Drop back a little. Good job, Sophia. Go, Peyton. Go, Peyton. Get there. Get her, Talia. Get her off. Get there, Talia. Get her.
Go get it, Ash.
Stay there. Stay there. Go, stay there.
Outside. Get
Help each other out. Help each other out.
Okay. Black tip right there.
Drop back, girls. Drop back. Ashlyn. Drop back a little bit.
Yeah, Ashlyn, get in there. Your defense. Block the goal. Get
Talia, not too
in
far.
the goal.
Talia, not too far.
Talia, back up this way. There, watch that girl there. Oh, you gotta get that. All right, go kick. Sophia, take it.
Forward. Peyton, be ready, girl.
Ashlyn, remember.
Hey, Peyton, be ready, okay?
Sophia's gonna kick it.
Watch the middle of the goal.
But sometimes she kicks it.
No, back in the box. Back in the box.
There you go. Get back. Good job, Ella. All right, Ella. Let's go, Peyton. Stay in your lane, girls. Stay in your lane.
Black girl, I thought.
No.
Girls, black girl. Defense. Sophia, watch behind you. Clear.
Run, Talia, run. Up. Good job, Ash.
There you go. Ashlyn, come throw it in.
Talia, push up.
Ash, big throw. Down the
Do it
line.
again.
You got it. Over their heads.
Into the goal.
Do it again.
Into the goal. Yeah, good throw.
Stop it, Ash.
Get there, get there. Push, look at Peyton, look at Peyton.
Nice, Sophia.
Good job, girls. Stay together. Spread out. There you go, Peyton. Go, get there, Talia. Get there. Talia.
I want
Get her off.
Go, Ash, go.
Take that ball. Pull it back. There you go. Yeah, turn it. Good, good. Yeah, stay with it.
Don't fight over
Stay with it. Stay with it. There you go. All right, good job. Good job. Mark up, girls. Mark up.
Good job, girl.
Guard somebody. Guard somebody.
Cover a black jersey, girls.
Right in front of them. There you go. Right in front of them.
Good throw. Go, Tola.
Oh my gosh, Tola's got it again. We got a ringer. Let's do this. Woohoo! Nice, Tola.
Ashlyn. Perry, midfield. Good job, girls. Good job. Good job.
Nice throws, Ash.
There you go, Talia. Go, get there.
Oh, get back.
Oh, drop back,
Get back.
Amelia. Way to be there, Amelia. Oh, good job, Ella.
Good job.
Way to be there, Amelia. Way to be
Sophia,
there.
good hustle. Way to get back. Okay, Talia.
Control it, control it, control it, control it.
Side. Side.
Talia, not Talia. Talia. Take me. Talia, you're forward. There you go, Perry.
That's the Grace, Perry.
Stay there, stay there, stay there, B, stay there. Good job, Amelia. Together, girls, together, together.
Nice, go,
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 go, together, together. Head up, head up, head up. Stay there, she got it, she got it, she got it.
Okay, Perry, come throw it in. White, right? White girl, yeah. White girl. Perry, right there. Ashlyn, defense.
Be ready, girls, be ready.
Ashlyn, Amelia. I keep calling Amelia Ashlyn.
There you go, good job.
There you go, good defense.
This team's had our number all.
Good, whatever.
No, it's not. It's just that it's that one team. Yeah.
Nice
There
pass.
you go, Grace.
Can't
up,
win them
Talia, push up.
all.
Stay there, Talia, keep going, Talia, follow it.
Stay with it.
White, Perry, throw it in.
Hey, great.
Okay, Grace is fine. Let Grace go.
Okay, get in there, girls. Perry, be ready.
She's directing traffic over there.
Oh!
Get that ball, Sophia.
Where's my... Ashlyn.
Ash, come here.
Ref. Amelia, your defense. You gotta drop back into defense. Get it, Ella, get it, get it. There
Good
you
job,
go.
Ella. Good job, Ella. You ready to run, Talia? Head up. There you go, girls. There you go, Talia. Run, run.
Chase it down. Chase it down.
Go, Perry.
Stay with it.
There was no whistle, right?
All right, white kick.
Perry. Forwards.
Look at Talia.
There you go, Talia. Get in there.
All right, Toa.
Oh,
That was amazing.
shoot, shoot.
That was amazing. Oh, shoot.
It was.
Good try, girls. Good try. Good job.
Cover a black jersey, girls.
Get that, girls.
Come on, girls, we gotta win that ball. They got called.
She's got it. She's got it, Talia. She's got it. Run up. Get ready to run.
Middle.
That's way to be there, Grace. Way to be there, Grace.
Get up there, get up there, get up there.
There you go. Go.
Okay.
Go. Push up, girls.
Stop. Sophia.
Ash,
Let's go, Ash.
Go, Ashley.
Gotta be a little more careful, okay? I know you're not doing it on purpose. We want to make sure nobody gets hurt.
So cute.
Right there, Talia. Not too far. Perry, drop back a little bit.
Get there, Talia. Get there.
Stay with it.
Come on, Folsom, get in there.
Talia. Perry, get in there. Girls.
Shoot the ball.
Girls, get it.
Get there again, again, again. Again.
Go get it, go get it.
Nice,
Ooh,
Talia.
nice try, Folsom.
Spread out. Spread out, spread out.
Get ready, Ash. There you go. Go, go, go.
Get there, Amelia. You gotta get there.
All right, Ella.
There you go, Ella.
There you go. Go, Talia. Up, up. There you go. Let it go, let it go. There you go. Up, up, up. Good, good, good. Up again. Follow it, follow it. Coming this way. Follow it, follow it. Oh, good try, good try. All right, good job.
Perry, throw it in. Actually,
Drop back, Ash. Towards the goal.
Peyton, right forward.
Good job.
Right forward. You play hard, okay?
This side,
Good job, Talia. Tola, forward to the middle.
Yeah, where'd you go?
Okay, go ahead. I think so, yeah. Get there. Clear it out.
There you go. Up together, girls. Spread out, spread out, spread out. There you go. Keep going, Peyton. Keep going.
Spread out, Folsom. Spread out.
Nice pass. Oh, wow.
Spread out, girls. Be ready there, Peyton.
Oh,
good
nice
girls.
try.
Good try.
All right, back up, girls. Goal kick.
Amelia. Stop messing around. Hey, Sophia.
I don't know.
Go back in a second.
Sophia, good job. Stay aggressive.
Do you know if Amelia's coming to Ashley's birthday party?
That's the plan. She's supposed to have the Girl Scout camping trip. So we might not be able to go.
There you go, Peyton. Go. Good job, Peyton. Keep going, Peyton. Keep going. Keep wrestling.
That defense.
Who's midfield?
There you go. Good defense, guys. There you go. Perry, throw it in.
Perry, you midfield, right?
Get up in.
Stay behind the forwards, right?
Isn't Coach Chris being a coach today?
Big throw.
He's right there.
Oh, okay.
Coach Travis, he's right there.
There he is. All right. Good job, Amelia.
Drop back a little bit, Ella. Drop back.
I'm not doing it. At least it's
It's all right, girls. It's all right.
At least it's over.
Let's go, Grace. Together, girls. Together. Spread out. Get out there. Get out there. All right. Good job, Ella.
Ash needs to get back. Isn't she a defender?
Ashley. Amelia, drop back.
Ashley, you gotta run back hard.
Good job.
Ashlyn.
Stay back.
You gotta help out on that. Right over there, okay?
Control it, Pete. All right. Terry.
Want to go in for Amelia defense?
Great defense.
Right side, right here. Amelia, I need you to be looking at the field of play, okay? That's Amelia
Go,
right
girls.
there.
Put it out there. Put it out there. Put it out there.
That's where I want you to go.
Good job, Ash. Out of there. Out of
Get it
there.
out. There you go.
Good. No.
There you go. Together. Out together. Spread out. There you go, Grace. Defense. Good job. Go, Peyton. Go, Peyton. Go, Peyton. Keep going. It's okay,
Ashlyn,
Peyton.
good pass, Ash.
Get that. I think she's just on the edge. Right there, Peyton. That looks good.
There you go. Get there. Sub. Amelia. Sylvia.
Good job, Amelia. Amelia, pay attention out there.
A little more attention, okay? Seeing you looking over at the sideline when the ball's
I
over
know,
here,
just
right?
everything about it. Yeah, her arms just go, her legs just go. It's so cute.
Come on, Daddy, drop the hammer.
Keep your feet down, Perry. Keep your feet down.
There you go.
There you go. Good job, Perry. There you go, Grace. Turn it.
Go, Ash, go. Go, Ashlyn, go.
Good job, Ash.
There you go. Clear it out, Perry. Clear it down.
Up.
Kick it down.
Big up.
There you
There
go.
you go. Go, Peyton. Go,
Nice.
Peyton.
Keep going,
Look in the middle.
Peyton.
Look in the middle.
Good, girls. It's away.
Nice
Yeah,
job,
Sophia.
Brian. Oh, so close.
Again, girls. Again.
Good shot to the corner. That was a good sequence.
Gotta run back.
Leah, drop back.
Woo!
Help out. Leah, help out.
Get it, Alec. Get it.
Get on it.
There's no one else.
Together, girls. Spread out. There you go. Spread it out.
Big
Good
kick.
job.
Hey. Ball's back here.
Leah. Hey, get on it.
There you go.
Up to right. Let's go.
You're all right, Julia. Good job. Kyle, you gotta throw it out this way more, okay? Right throw. Perry, go. No, let's Perry get it.
Drop back, Leah.
Ash, stay in the goal. Protect the goal.
Feet down. Good throw.
Go, Sophia. You got room.
All you. Yeah.
Leah, drop back. Leah.
Good, Ash.
Throw hard, Ella. Throw hard.
Leah, drop back. Good throw. Up, girls, up, together.
Pass it up. Pass it up.
Oh my gosh.
Go, Sophia.
go, Peyton. Be ready, Peyton. Be ready, Peyton. Keep going, Peyton. Go.
Get to beat her, Peyton, beat her.
Weird. Not in the middle. Not in the middle.
Go.
Ash, get over to help, Ash.
Talia, keep going.
Protect the goal, Ashley.
There you go, Talia. Good job.
There you go, Peyton.
Get back there. Get there.
There you
There you go,
go.
Talia. Get there. Good job, Talia. Good job. 2 strikes on you. There you go. There you go. That's the way, girls. That's the way. That's the way to stay spread out. That's the way to spread out, girls.
Pass it up, Peyton. Pass it up.
Yeah. Good job, Peyton. Good job, Peyton. Stay there, Peyton. Push up. Yeah, get that, Peyton. Get that. She's got it.
Turn it up field. Come on, Ash.
Leah, keep going back, right?
Not in the middle, Elra.
Head up. There you go. Work together, girls. Work together.
Nice. Woo!
Back up, White. Back up.
I start coaching on the sideline.
Get ready.
Get there, Ashley.
Boot it up.
Good job.
Spread out, White. Spread out.
There you go, Peyton. Go, Peyton. Go, keep going, girls.
Peyton, you gotta back up. All sides, Peyton. Now you're fine. Stop. Peyton, up. Amelia, right forward. Terry. Midfield, go.
Amelia, follow your kids, man.
Good job, girls.
Good pass. That was a good pass.
Good job.
Up, Terry.
Look at that battle.
Hey, got it. There you go.
Talia, you gotta drop back, right? Talia. That's your brother, right? You're outside.
Amelia, back up. You're offside. Amelia. There you go. You're fine. You're fine now.
There you go. Way to be there, girls.
He's center back.
Great. Get that, Amelia. Get that.
Get there, Amelia. There you go.
Good job, Amelia.
Turn it up the side. Not in the middle. Not in the middle.
Spread out, girls. Spread out. There you go.
Nice.
Good job, girls.
Passes, girls.
Spread out, spread
Good
out.
job, Amelia.
Good.
Good job. There you go, girls.
All right.
Woo, nice
Good
pass.
job. Good pass, girls. Good pass.
Good job, Sophia. How do you feel about playing offense now?
Good job, Sophia.
Go, Ashlyn, go. Ash, you gotta be up. You gotta be up, Ash. Ashlyn, go up.
Center forward, Ashley. Ashley, you're center forward. All the way up there.
All the way up, Ash. All the way up, Ash. Go, Ashlyn. Go up. Go, Ashlyn. Go. Ashlyn. All the way up. Good, Ash. You should be the farthest one up, Ash, okay? Ash, get to this ball first, okay? Ashlyn, get up. Ashlyn. Get ready for a pass, Ash. Stay there, Ash. Stay there. Call for the pass, Ashlyn. Call for the pass. Stay there, Ash. Stay there, Ash. Get ready, Ash. Call for it, Ash. Call for it. Go, Ash. Go. Go, Ashlyn. Go. Ash towards the net. Good pass, Ashlyn. Ash, go to the net. Ash, go to the net. Go forward, Ash. Go forward. Peyton, pass it to the middle. Pass it to the middle. Go, Ashlyn. Go, Ashlyn. Go. Go, Ash. Come on. Stick with it, Ash. Stick with it. Ash, stay where you are. You're good. Call for the pass, Ashlyn. pushing, Ash. Go get it, Ash! Go get it! Go, Ashlyn, go! To the middle, to the middle! Call for it, Ash. Go, Ashlyn.
Get there, Amelia. Get there. Get there.
Get like emotional.
Get there. That's not doing it. Good hustle. Good hustle. Good hustle.
Big Ash.
Again.
Go, go, go.
Stay right there, Ella. Stay right there.
Ash, middle, middle, Ash,
Stay right there,
middle.
Ella. Stay right there. Ella.
Over their heads!
Get there. Be ready, girls.
Let's go, defense!
Good job. Good foot.
Go, Ashlyn, go!
Go get it!
Get in there, Amelia.
Come on, Colin.
Ella, you're right. Spread out. Spread out.
Come on.
Let's go, girls. Get that ball.
Like right here next to the ball.
Good job, Ella.
Get the ball, okay? Kind of stand it back a little bit. I want to see you be a little more aggressive, all right? And when you're dribbling the ball,
Amelia.
dribbling to the side, try to cut that and start going towards the goal.
You're left forward, right? Stay
If you
there.
spend a lot of energy running sideways, that's going to be, you're kind of worn out when you finally need to go forward, right? So try to just turn it.
That's you, Amelia.
Get ready, Ash, get ready.
Ashlyn!
Good
Go
move,
with
good
it.
move.
Good job.
Get there, again. Get there.
Yeah.
Up, cross.
Look at.
You guys gotta spread out. Good.
Nice, Sophia!
Ash, go up more.
Good hustle, girls.
Ash! Up!
There you go, Amelia.
Go, Ella, go. Get it, Ella.
Go, Ash, go.
Oh, it's in
Come
there.
on, Ash.
Shoot.
Shoot it!
Look in the middle.
Good pass, Amelia. Good look.
Good hustle, Tola. Good pass.
Spread out. Spread out. Get there, Ella.
Oh, good D. Good job.
Good job, keeper.
You ready, defense? Talia, drop back. Good hustle, Sophia.
Ash, up!
Good job,
Spread out. Spread out. Amelia,
pass the ball, girls.
Amelia, when she's running down the middle, I need you to spread out a little bit, okay? Give her room.
Ash, turn around. First to the ball. First to the ball.
First!
Perry, I want you to go in for Tola at midfield again.
Get in there, girls. Get in there.
Get in there.
Oh,
Ella,
girls.
don't give up on it. Good job, Ella.
Yeah, get that, Ash. Amelia.
You're going to be midfield.
Center,
You're
center.
gonna go for Tola at
Good,
midfield.
good.
Okay, you're going to go in for Ashlyn at center forward. Midfield, you're going to support the offense when we're down on this end, and you're going to drop back and drop back. It's 5. Make sense?
Sophia. Kick it. Talia in the box.
Are we winning? Big boot, Sophia!
Get there, up.
Ash, get ready.
Get that, Amelia, up.
Get it, Ella. Don't be afraid of it.
Up,
Kick it up, kick
Get
it
that,
up.
Ashland. Sophia, all the way. Ash, Ash,
Go,
go.
Ashley.
Shot! Shoot it!
Good pass.
Oh, nice!
Shoot.
Oh, nice try!
Good try.
All I say is kick it. Sub. Tola. Ashlyn. Okay, remember, midfield, center forward. You're midfield.
Midfield, behind the forwards.
Good job.
Good job, Ash.
Good job, Cole.
So, Perry, push up. Amelia. This way a little more.
We're doing really well. I
Back a
think
little
Tola
bit.
has
You should be between the forwards and the defense, okay?
She's
Right there.
It's 5-2. 5-2.
It's 5-2. Okay,
Hey,
offense,
Ash, you had a
push
great
up.
assist on that goal.
There you
Good
go.
throw, Ella.
There you go.
Get there, Amelia. Peyton.
That's you, Peyton. Get that.
Up. Defense, be ready. Talia. And ball.
Ella, get the ball.
Hey, get up there, mark somebody.
Forwards.
All right, forwards, push up. It's our kick.
Right kid, get over there and mark somebody.
Sophia, stick that, and then run back on defense. Perry,
Go
push up.
wait, go forwards, go.
Spread out, spread out.
Forwards, go farther.
Go farther. Farther.
I'm just going to send it. You guys can play
It's
catch
like
up.
they've never seen Sophia kick the ball before. Making you slip on that. Shoot that. Too much dribbling. And shoot it.
Left foot, left foot.
Behind the line, Amelia, behind the line.
Keep your feet down.
Get open, get open. Get open, get open.
There you go.
Yes!
Oh, Ella. All she had to do was just poke it.
Oh, get that feet,
That's
feet.
you.
Go, Amelia. Hey, shoot it, shoot it. Talia, Talia. Get back, get back. Clear it out of there. Clear it out of there. This way, this way, this way. Go. Come on, get that ball. Go, go, go.
Spread out, Amanda. Spread out. Ella, spread out.
Good job, Kate.
Talia, to the sides, right? Forcing the ball to the sides. There you go. Together,
There you go.
girls.
Spread out.
Spread out.
Spread
Ella,
out.
spread out.
Kick it, Kate.
Nice.
Keep going, keep going.
No, Peyton, that's you. Peyton.
Talia, step up. This is your side, your side.
There you go. Get it out, Ella, get it out.
Good job. Together, girls. Together. Spread out.
Get there, Ella.
Keep going, girls. Get that ball out there, girls.
Clear it, Sophia. Clear.
Good job, Sophia.
Run out.
Get there, Amelia. Get there.
Win that ball, Amelia. Go get it.
Talia, your side, Talia. Up, Talia. Good. Up. Good job, good pass.
Go, Ella.
You ready, defense? Up, Amelia. Go, get there. Get there. That's all right. Push forward, girls. Push forward. Go. Right there. Feet down. Hey. Kick it in. Good. Go, Peyton.
Nice keeper.
Yeah, it looks good. We played with Amelia.
Get out of Talia. This side. Go.
Forward, Ash. Move forward.
Go.
Keep going, Ashlyn. Way up there. Get up there.
Keep going, Ash.
Get in the goalie's face, Ashley. Get up there.
Ash, go to the goal. No. Ashley.
All the way up. There you go. Good job.
Shot.
Go, Ash, go.
Ashlyn, stay right there. Ashlyn. Shoot it. Again.
Turn around, Ash.
Ashlyn, get it again. Here. Get it.
Get there, Tola.
Go to the net, Ash. Go to the net, Ashlyn.
Where did Amelia go? You say you're ready for midfield?
Forward.
You ready for midfield?
Push up.
Go forward, Ash.
Up. Peyton.
Amelia.
She'll catch her. He's fast.
Yeah, she's got it.
Go up, Ash. Go up.
Get ready to run, Ashlyn.
Turn, Ashlyn. Turn.
Go to the goal.
Harry, you're center forward.
Yeah, go. Keep going.
Harry,
Way to hustle, Leah. Way to hustle. There you go. Keep going. Stick with it. Leah.
get it out. There you go.
Go, Ash.
It's yours, Ash.
Tola, go. Get open. Wait. Oh. I forgot I put Amelia back in. I was like, what just happened?
To the net, Jedis. To the net.
Be ready, Talia. Be ready.
Watch behind you, Sophia.
Offside!
Sophia, kick it.
It's when an opposing player is behind the last defender
Leah, drop
and
back
it
a
gets
little.
passed to.
Before the ball passes the
Ash.
plane of the defender.
Sophia, kick in the goal. Kick in the goal.
There you go.
Go, Ash, go!
Wait. Please, Ashlyn.
Good pass.
Up, girls, up, girls.
Pass it, Ash.
Get it, Perry.
Get in there.
Everywhere.
It's coming back to the middle. Ashley, get in there.
All right, defense.
Leah,
There you go, Amelia. Good job.
there you go. Get there.
Go, Ash!
Go, Ash, go.
Shoot it! There's no goalie!
Good job, Ash. Leah,
Get back, get back.
Grace, Grace, get on that.
Oh! Woo-hoo! Look at the goalie! Spread out. Get it all the way to Ashlyn. Spread out. There you go.
Nice,
Kick.
kid. Nice.
Ready, Ash?
Send it.
Up, up. Pass.
Drop something. Oh, no.
Come on.
Wow. Wow.
Leah, drop back.
Nice job.
That's the way to work together, girls.
Go for it, Ash.
Up.
Pass it. Go to the goal.
Yeah, there you go. Up,
Go,
girls. Spread
Ashley.
out, spread out.
Let it go.
Up, Ash.
Ash,
Ash to go.
Go, Ash. Come on.
She's so close.
Get it,
Get there,
Ashlyn,
get there.
now.
Get there, Leah. Push it. Ash,
Ash,
you got
go
it, you got
forward,
it.
Ash,
You
go
got it.
forward, Ash.
You got it.
Go,
Ash,
go,
go.
go. Get it.
Get in there, girls. Come on now. Let's finish strong. Let's go.
I want you to go in for Perry. It's in the corner.
Leah, drop back. Good job, girls. Good job. Stefan. Good stop, Grace. Grace, good stop. Great stop.
It's 5 to 2. No, 5 to 3. 5 to 6.
Okay, girls, remember, cheer before water. Cheer before water.
I need to finish.
Okay, what does that say? Cheetahs? Good game, Pink Cheetahs.
No, it's Cheetos.
Pink
Cheetos,
Cheetos.
it's Cheetos.
Cheetos. Well, now we
No,
don't.
it says Cheetos.
I know, we're not going to say Cheetos. Listen. Just like we don't make fun of people's regular names, we don't make fun of people's team names. Okay? Ready? On the count of 3, we'll say good game, Pink Cheetahs. 1, 2, 3. Good game, Pink Cheetahs!
Go, go!
Ashlyn, you did amazing. You were the best player in the game. You did really good. You are so good.
Oh, yeah.